Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techcore. In today's video, I'll try to compare the game space from the Realme X7 Pro versus the Game Turbo from the Mi11. So both phones, they are using the latest Realme UI, which is a Realme UI 2.0, and MIUI 12.5, which is a beta version. And this Realme UI 2.0 is the early access which I have received. So these are the two latest UIs which I got installed in two phones. And right now I thought of just comparing side by side how is the game space compared with the Game Turbo, so which is better and what are the features we do get in this both interfaces. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Techcore, and also do check the links in description for this live wallpapers what I'm using. So let's begin the comparison first by opening the game space on both the smartphones. So let me try to quickly go to the game space application. So in this Mi phone, you can find the game space of Game Turbo in this security app. So let me try to open the Game Turbo right now. As you can see friends, the Game Turbo has been opened. So this is the animation you will be getting here, and here is the Realme X7 Pro's game space animation. So these are the two interfaces you do get, and this is a very good interface in this Mi11 device. So one thing I particularly like in the Mi11 is that whenever you swipe between the games, you do get very good feedback. So haptic feedback is fantastic in this Mi11 smartphone. So this is a really good feedback you will be getting friends, not only in this phone, even in the Poco X3, Mi10i, Redmi Note 10 Pro, other smartphones, whatever the Game Turbo has, you'll get this kind of very good vibration feedback. This interface, this is how it looks. As you can see, at the first glance, you will get this kind of all the information regarding the CPU, GPU and the battery percentage. That's a really good advantage to see how is the CPU and GPU performing. And in the Realme phone, Realme UI 2.0, you do get this kind of options. So three different modes. So low power mode, balancer mode and the competitive competition mode. So where you can select from, and balance automatically adjust the resolution, brightness low, quick startup, smart game assistant 4D vibrations, but it will work only in few applications, few games, and voice changer is also working only in few games and few applications only. But right now in the Mi11, so there are so much of options available friends. There's so much plenty of options to go through. So this might take very long and lengthy video, but I'll try to make it very short. So first you'll get this kind of option where you can select what type of quality you want: high quality, balanced or save power. So if you select custom, so if you select the custom, you can even control what frame rates the game can have. So you want to stick the game at 45 or 60 or 90 or 120. That's a really advanced settings which is present in this Mi11 smartphone. So not only in this Mi11, so whatever the MIUI 12.5 mobile phones will be getting, this kind of all the features will definitely be installed in this MIUI 12.5 as well. So all these advanced custom modes, which is really good, interesting features. As you can see, the list, it goes on the list. So that's a really good, interesting. And next, additional settings, you can actually add pro mode or the customize. So touch controls, so swipe response and aiming accuracy. So all this kind of different options you can select from. So there's so much of customization is going on friends in this phone, so particularly in this Mi11 and with latest MIUI. So a lot of benefits are there in this phone, in this MIUI 12.5 when you compare with the Realme UI's 12.5. So let me try to play the game. Same game I'll try to play at same time to show you what's the difference between the top game turbo toolbar or the game space toolbar option. So let me try to quickly start the game. So both games are started right now in both phones. So let me try to quickly start playing the game. So in the MIUI's 12.5 latest version, you'll be getting this kind of small Game Turbo option only. So small Game Turbo, so where you can see all the details, so which doesn't change anything. So it is exactly like the same like the previous one. But in the Realme smartphones, in the Realme UI 2.0, you'll get this kind of small window. So which is really very annoying friends. So before it used to be only on the top window, but now they shifted completely to this big interface which will be keep on blocking all the things in the background. That's a really biggest drawback, I would say, definitely, for this kind of latest update on this phone. So this is what I didn't like about this update, where this is occupying all this area, and whereas in this Mi phones and the Redmi phones only small area is occupied for this kind of information. So that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between the both the phones, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos, and also do check the links for what wallpapers I'm using in both the phones as well. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. And finally, friends, I forgot to mention, if you enable the auto rotate option in this Realme phone, you can actually get this kind of interface even in the horizontal as well. As you can see, you can get this kind of interface in this mode. So if you enable the auto rotate option in this phone, and I think I did cover plenty of options here between both the phones. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the annual benchmark test results between the Mi 10i versus the Redmi Note 10 Pro device. So let's see which phone will perform best.